Hey there! Are you looking to speed up boring and repetitive SEO tasks? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 6 examples of SEO tools that you can automate using Python scripts. We live in a world where technology is truly changing almost every aspect of our lives. In SEO, Python makes it easier to automate tasks that would otherwise take days, weeks, or months. Here's a list of 6 SEO tasks we can automate with the Python. Implementation. One of the most common frustrations SEO agencies and consultants experience is clients not implementing their recommendations, even if they are critical to improving organic performance. Reasons vary by client, but one common cause is they simply don't have the expertise or resources to implement those recommendations. Visibility benchmarking. Visibility benchmarking reviews a site's current visibility against competitors and identifies the gaps in current keyword or content coverage. It also identifies where competitors have visibility your site does not. Typically, you can pull data with SEMrush, RightEdge, DataCube, and other data sources. Intent categorization. Part of the visibility benchmarking process is intent categorization, an exhausting process that used to be done manually. So the number 4 is XML sitemaps. XML sitemaps are like actual maps of your website, which let Google know about the various important pages, as well as which pages it should crawl. If you have a dynamic site with thousands or millions of pages, it could be hard to see which pages are indexed, especially if all the URLs are in one massive XML file. Now let's say that you have critically important pages on your site that must be crawled and indexed at all costs. Number 5 is response code analysis. Links are still used as a signal by Google and other search engines and remain important for improving organic visibility. It's about quality, not quantity. Links should be earned by great content on your site and how that content helps people solve problems, or how it offers products that can help solve problems. Number 6. SEO Analysis. We all love SEO tools that provide a quick analysis of a page to see any SEO issue, such as, does the page have a good title tag or does it have a title tag at all? Is the meta description missing or compelling enough to get a click? Does the page have the proper structured data? How many words does this page have?